What's up YouTube viewers, it's Tim here bringing you guys another video, and today's video is going to be about Cinema 4D. Cinema 4D is another great 3D animating and 3D sculpting program, and it's mostly used for making like intros and stuff like that alongside Adobe After Effects. Anyways, in today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to create something inside it. Now I have the Cinema 4D R12 version. So some of you guys know maybe a lot maybe newer than mine. You may see some things different. Just like read around and you'll find the stuff that I'm doing if you have a different one. Anyways, open it up, and when it opens up and you're at an untitled project, just go to objects and go to primitive and add a plane. Once you have the plane added, just come over here to this panel over here, this attributes panel over here, and object properties. Go right here and just change the size. Change the size to whatever size you want. I prefer mine to be at 2000 by 2000 just so it can cover up the screen because I don't want to see any black spaces. Now if we come back over to materials, right here by materials, there's nothing there, of course, but we want to click File, and then we're going to click New Material. And as you can see here, it's white. Well, what I want to do is I just want to dial it down, dial some up, and now I have a blue color. And this panel over here controls this material, controls the type of material it is or what color it is, all that nice good stuff. Anyways, once you're done editing your material, come over here to where it is on the materials bar and just drag it onto the plane. And as you can see, the plane has changed color. Alright, now we want to create a wall to sit behind the text that we're going to make. So I'm going to click Control C to copy plane, and then Control V to paste the plane. Now I have two planes sitting in one another. Now I want to rotate that. Come over here. Once you have plane point 1 highlighted in yellow over here, just come over here to rotation, change the H value to 90, and then change the B value to 90. Then hit apply. As you can see, it rotated perfectly. Anyways, besides that note, now we want to add some text, because that's what all the intros have. Go to MoGraph up here and go to MoText, and it should add text very smoothly. Okay, you have text now, but now we want it to be a little better, and you want to actually change the name. You don't want it to be text. So I'm gonna come over here to this attributes bar again with the MoText selected, and down here by text where it says text, change it to whatever you want. Like me, I'm just gonna change mine to Tim. And it'll change. Now we want to change the font because we want it to look a little better. So let's go click on font right down below text. There's gonna be a font button. Just click that and find your desired font. Any font you want. The font size in here doesn't matter if you have this pop-up box. You just click OK and it'll change. Now I want to add a little more effects to this. What I want to do is I want to come up here to MoText and I want to click Control Copy and then Control Paste. Now I have two MoTexts, and they're both within each other, like they're both in each other. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on MoText, one of the MoTexts, and I'm going to go to their depth in the object panel, and I'm going to go to like 80 in depth. Do like 80 or 100 would be good. And just leave it at that. And I'm going to go to the first, then I'm going to go to the next MoText that we haven't changed the depth in yet, and I'm gonna go around like 40. But you can do whatever you want. Just make sure it's like kind of smaller than the first one. Then we're just gonna move it kind of sort of in the middle of the first text, just like what you guys see right here. Coming along very good. After we have it moved with that same text that you just moved selected, go to the caps tab right over there in the attributes panel and go to the one that says start. First one that says start right underneath caps and rounding. Go to start, click the dial down and click fillet cap. Then go all the way down to end, go to cap, go to fillet cap, change it to fillet cap. Now one more, go down to fillet type and go click the dial down and click one step. As you can see, it looks very nice. It's coming along very nice. Okay, we have text. Text looks kind of nice, but you want to add some more color. Well, it's simple. It's quite simple. Go back down to materials if you wanted a different color. Click new material and just dial it to whatever color you want. And like you did before, just click and drag it onto the material. So and it's much easier to click and drag it from here all the way up to here in the objects panel. Anyways, once you have that, once you have your text kind of colored and stuff like that, and you can change the color of the second one if you want to. I just choose not to right now. Now we want to animate it. First, let's see how it looks. Okay, now we want to animate it. Now down here, if you have all of the text selected, like everything that you want to move selected, down here there's going to be a little bar around here. It's kind of a recording bar, and right here it's going to say record position, scale, rotation, and all of that other nice stuff. With the dial, with the frame bar set at 0, and the object you want to move selected, click what I just told you. Once you click it, this little bar will come up right here. That just indicates that, you know, you're marking that position. Now, I'm gonna come to like on the frame bar to like 45. 45 is my choice. It could be whatever you want to. And then I'm gonna rotate it. You can rotate it, move it, or anything else. I have the background selected too. Don't mind that. It was an accident. That wasn't on purpose. But once you have it moved, just come over here back to that same tool that you clicked before. Click it again, and it'll make another marking. Now bring the dial back down to 90, and just move it back down. And click the marking one more time. Now, as you can see here, it moves. It moves. Okay, it moves. Now you want to kind of sort of export that. Now, before you export it, whatever, and all that good stuff, you want to come over here to render. You want to go to render settings. You want to make sure in the generals tab that it's at full render. Then go to output and look at your resolution. Whatever resolution you want to put it there. But note that it will take a longer time to finish like rendering, like finish like saving and stuff like that, and it'll take up a lot of power in your computer the higher you have the resolution set. After you set your resolution and all that nice good stuff and any other video settings you want, click exit out of render, come back up here to the render tab and click make preview. You want to make sure that's set at full render, all frames, and then down here at image size, you want to make that the width value of which you made before, what you made in the renders tab. Render setting tab. You want to make sure it's at AVI, or if you have QuickTime, you can do QuickTime. Then click OK. Now it's going to begin to render, and I'll see you guys when it's done rendering. Okay guys, once it's done rendering, a little window like this should pop up. When this pops up, you know, it'll just give you a rundown of everything that happens. It'll say this is selected over here, preview. You just go up here to File, click Save As, and when it goes up to type, you click Animation, not Still. And then Format, you go down to AVI movie or QuickTime movie if you have QuickTime. And you just, everything else should be set for you, so you should be able to click OK. And when it opens up like a page you want to save it at, just click the name, type in the name you want, and then afterwards you have to click .avi because they don't do it by default for you, so you have to put in AVI afterwards. Click save. It'll quickly do its little thing. Minimize. Find where the video is. Right here. Boom. There you have it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like if you want to like. Comment if you want to comment. And subscribe for more videos just like this. I'll probably be doing some more Cinema 4D videos too.